Welcome to Spyder Auto's LED Lightbar headlight installation guide for 2006 to 2008 Dodge Ram. The tools needed include a ratchet, medium extension, 10mm deep socket, and painter's tape. To wire in the Lightbar, you will also need a multimeter, wire crimper, and 4 sets of T-taps. Let's start by opening the hood. Remove the two 10mm bolts securing the headlight. In the fender well, remove the rubber plug. Remove the 10mm nut. Note that some painter's tape was folded and placed on the tip of the socket to hold the nut from removing. Unseat the headlight. Unclip the wiring harness. Remove the OEM headlight. Next, with the engine off, check the voltage readings. Ground to ground, positive to middle wire shows 0, positive to outer wire shows a constant. Then with the engine on, recheck the voltage values. The center wire should show a low voltage value. The outer wire should show a higher than normal value. Note that the voltage reading is higher due to the alternator being on. Turn the engine off. At your own risk, wire in your T-taps. Transfer over the turn signal bulb and socket from the OEM headlight onto the new Spyder headlight. Reconnect the wiring harness as well as the newly T-tap light bar wiring. Seat the new headlight. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts securing the headlight. In the fender well, reinstall the 10mm nut securing the headlight. Then reinstall the rubber plug. Close the hood and your installation is complete. Let's take a look at the before and after. Congrats! You just installed your Spyder Auto LED light bar headlights on your Dodge Ram. Before taking your vehicle back on the road, make sure to check all electrical connections and light functions. Thank you for viewing the Spyder Auto installation video to assist you. For more products and information, please visit www.spyderauto.com.